How to create a group chat on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on a step-by-step process on how you can easily create a group chat on WhatsApp. The first thing you want to do is open your WhatsApp application, and here you will be on your chat section. Now, what you want to do is tap on this three dots at the top right, or you can even tap on this plus icon at the bottom. It will ask you to create a new group right here. It's essentially for sending a new message to anyone from your contacts. So just tap on the three dots and tap on new group. And here, all you have to do is choose your group members, search for your group members. And once you do that, just tap on send, this arrow icon. You can name your group, it's optional. So I'm just going to name it right now as a test group. And once you do that, tap on done. And now all of these group members will be notified that they have been added to a group by you. So they will see all of the messages that you send here. So suppose if I send hello, they will receive this message and they will be notified. And that's how you can easily create a new group on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.